Building a meal plan is super simple by using Sarah. So you just ask her for something like recipe chicken. And she'll send some suggestions that she thinks you would enjoy. Once you see something that sounds good, you can click on that or more choices. I think this Mediterranean stuffed chicken looks amazing. So we're going to go ahead and add it to our meal plan. And to add something to your meal plan, you can select what day of the week you'd like to cook it. So I'm going to go with Tuesday. Which meal of the day, we're going to say dinner, and how many portions. Let's do for 2. Add to meal plan. Okay, so to continue building our meal plan, you can see that we currently have one selection for Tuesday, our Mediterranean stuffed chicken, but I want to add something for Friday night's dinner as well. So I'm going to click lifestyle. Now I could go back to Sarah and ask her for more suggestions, but since I'm already in here, we're going to just go ahead and go with the lifestyle. And I want something, actually let's go ahead pescatarian. All right, you can see our options here. Ooh, I love this salmon with cranberry farro. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And I love this one for lunch, so I'm going to add it to my meal plan. And I'm going to do it for Tuesday, but I want to make 4 portions because I'm going to have it for lunch the rest of the week as well. So we'll add that to our meal plan. Okay, so we can see Tuesday we've got lunch and dinner covered. So let's go ahead and do one more Friday for dinner. I need something I'm entertaining guests. I'm going to go with paleo. Take a peek at all of our suggestions. These all look so good, but you know what? I think I'm going to go with the fajita spaghetti squash. Super simple to prep ahead, great for a crowd. So I need to add that to my meal plan. Friday dinner. And I need 6 portions for my guests. So we'll add that to our meal plan. And you guys can see Friday, we're having the fajita spaghetti squash for 6 portions for dinner.